In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the agency view after logging in. Once you log in, the first screen you'll see is the agency view. Think of this as your home base. It's the main area where you manage the bigger picture parts of your account, rather than the day-to-day work inside a specific project or sub-account. The agency view is designed to give you centralized control. From here, you can handle your overall account settings, review and manage billing, and oversee your team members all in one place. If you ever feel unsure about where to start, this is usually the best place to begin because it gives you a clear overview of your account at the highest level. One of the most important things to understand is that the agency view is not just a dashboard. It's the administrative center for your account. That means if you need to make changes that affect your full organization, this is where you'll typically do it. For example, if you want to update account level details, check subscription related information, or organize who has access to your workspace. The agency view is where those tasks happen. You'll also use this area to manage billing. This is helpful when you need to review payment settings, monitor your plan, or make sure your account remains active and set up correctly. Keeping billing organized here can save time and prevent confusion later, especially if multiple people are involved in managing the account. Another key part of the agency view is team management. This is where you can keep track of the people who have access to your account and make sure everyone has the right level of permission. It's a good idea to review team access regularly so your workspace stays secure and organized as you continue using the platform. Remember that the agency view is your central control panel. Anytime you need to manage account-wide settings or administrative tasks, you'll likely return here. Understanding this from the beginning makes everything else easier because you'll know the difference between managing the overall account and working inside specific areas of the platform. So after logging in, take a moment to get comfortable with the agency view. Knowing that this is your home base will help you navigate the platform more confidently and manage your account more efficiently.